Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khan and Ikjavan. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. Taking a break from jackfruit month with a brinjal recipe. Vaingana podo is a very traditional recipe of the Cochin GSBs. There are a lot of people who either love brinjals or just hate it. This recipe will make you like this vegetable so much. This dish calls for a special pitto or powder called bhaja pitto. This powder can be made and stored in advance and used whenever needed. You can use this to make a similar dish with brine, tender mangoes or even capsicums. Here I have some homegrown brinjals and green chilies to make this dish. You can use any variety of brinjal and each one gives its own distinct taste. Cut the brinjals into long pieces and slit the green chilies. Add salt to taste and toss well. Cover and keep aside. To make the bhaja pitto, take 100 grams of urad dal and an equal quantity of coriander seeds. Also about 5 to 6 red chilies. We are using less number of red chilies as we have already added green chilies. Now we will roast each of them separately. For a one-time use, roast 1 tablespoon of urad dal, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 2 red chilies. Roast the red chilies in a kadai with a teaspoon of oil. Next, roast the urad to a golden brown. Finally, roast the coriander until they change color and are aromatic. When all the roasted ingredients are cool, powder them together in a mixer to a coarse powder. Do not make it fine. Splatter some mustard in a kadai and add the brinjals along with the water it had let out. Add a little more water if necessary. Cover and let cook with some stirring in between. When it has nearly cooked, add about 2 or more tablespoons of the bhaja pitto and mix well. Drizzle some coconut oil. Cover and let cook on slow flame for a few more minutes. Now it's done. Serve with rice as a side dish. I have tried out with other veggies too, like capsicums, and it tastes heavenly. So do try out and enjoy this dish. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.